Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are safe and sound at home. How's your studies going on? I hope you all are watching videos and completing your workbook. My dear students, you all can send me the pics of your workbook after completing your homework. Okay? It means whenever you complete your writing work in your workbook, just click the pic and send me on my WhatsApp number. I will check it and send it back to you. In this way, I will check your homework of all the subjects, right? So here again I have come with a new video of English. In English, we have already completed one poem and two chapters. This is the fourth topic. The name of the poem is A String Song. It is a poem come an activity. So without any delay, let's start the poem. Here the name of the poem is A String Song. It is in your English textbook, page number 5. You can open your textbook, page number 5, and you can see the poem. Okay, students? This poem is actually a class activity in which a string is made by children. This activity should perform by children in the class. But as you know, because of pandemic, you cannot come to school. So, you can do this activity at home with your siblings and cousins, right? If you have 3-4 siblings or friends nearby or your cousins are there, you can play this game with them. Okay, students? In this poem, all students repeats the previous child sentences and then they add their own sentences. In this way, by adding new sentence of or things each time, each student, this poem will complete. Okay, students? So, now we'll start the poem come activity. The name of the poem is A String Song. What is the meaning of string? String means a long thin piece of twisted thread. It is a song come game. You have to form groups of 8 to 10 children each to play this game. Okay, students? Now, the first child says, what he says? I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, that's what I got. I'll repeat. I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, that's what I got. The first child says that he went to the market and you know what I bought. Bought means to buy or to purchase. When we pay money to the shopkeeper and get something in return, it is called to buy or bought. Okay, students? So, when he went to the market, he bought some red shiny apples. He got some red shiny apples. Now, the next child, the second child adds something. I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, that's what I got. Now here the second child repeats the first child sentence as well. Some red shiny apple is the first child sentence and he adds or she adds her own sentence, that is a big loaf of bread. That's what I got. What is the meaning of loaf of bread? Loaf of bread means a proper shaped mass of bread. Now the third child will come. And what he will say? The third child adds one more thing. Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. Now he adds his own sentence, that is a pack of color pencils. He repeats the full poem. Like, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, and a pack of color pencils. That's what I got. In this way, each child will come and he will repeat first the previous children's sentences, and then he will add his own or her own sentence. See, every child repeats the correct order, in the correct order, what others have said, and adds something new on his own or his or her own. The game continues up to the last child. Okay, students? So, children, in this way, one child will come and he will say a sack of gram flour. The next child will say, they can add anything like a pack of liquid soap, some juicy ripe mangoes, a string of white flowers. You can see here on the table. A bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey. In this way, children, you have to play the game. You can also add some different things which you have at home. For example, instead of honey, you can say a jar or a bottle of jam or ketchup, a pair of shoes or socks, a bunch of grapes, and so on. Understood, children? You can enact this game and send me the video also, video recording. While you playing this game, tell your elders to record the video and you can send me that recording as well. It will be fun and I will be happy to see you performing this game with this song. Okay, students? See? Now, this is an activity. A bunch of bananas. In this group of word, the word bunch is used for group of bananas. Okay, students? So, whenever we say something in group, we have different words for them. What you have to do, you have to see this box. In this box, some words are given like pack, troop, band, gang, hive. So, what you have to do, the below, the blanks are there given with the words. So, you have to write the correct group of word in the blank. For example, a dash of thieves. So, what word will come here? Gang. What will come? Gang will come. Okay, students? In this way, you have to complete the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. I hope you liked the video. You understood the poem and the game, and I am waiting for your videos. You will send me after playing this game, and you will send me the workbook pics also after completing your homework. So till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.